Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is going to be a quick review about a money making app called Whop. Is it really paying out for 2025? Now, this is going to be the website itself. On the left side, you have Discover right there. You have Start Selling and then Log In. You also have this frequently asked questions, the background, I think, and the language. So, what is this basically about? So, Whop is going to be an average creator on Whop makes about $7,382 per month. What can you do here? Basically, create some advertisements, create some reviews, create some short term videos, and earn by basically doing that one. As you can see right here, made by creators and users in WAP are staggering. Want to learn how it works? Just apply on the university, it says. Now, I did some of my digging here. So, first, I went to my trusted website to check scams, and basically, WAP has a staggering 3.9 out of 5 reviews, with only a few 1 star. Let's read about the few stars right here. So, this one, what makes things simple? It is a new way to use the internet, especially social media and commerce, Amazon, Gumroad, etc., and so much more. Made my first 15 million sign up in 24 hours sign up. Okay, that's a bit weird. That's actually a very fast for our money. So, like always, WOP has the best customer service in the United States. Brady helped me solve an issue I had. We had figured it out in about 30 minutes, very straightforward and a helpful guy. Now that is really something to think about. I think that's really too good to be true. Once I'm reading these reviews, I always see those. However, there are some 1 stars here. Let me just filter that one. Let's check the 1 star review. As you can see, appeal regarding WAP account ban and explanation of situation. So this is Arda. I'm using the platform under the same username. I recently received a notification that my account was banned. First of all, I would like to emphasize that I have been fully compliant with the WAP's term services. So I think WAP is legit. However, there are some struggle regarding banning. Also, this one, the next big scammers. They steal money from people even they try to cut off money from my bank card without permission. They should be arrested. As you can see right here, these are pretty concerning reviews. I did another digging right here for Reddit. To be honest, this one right here is actually good on Reddit. However, I'm still gonna go on the Trustpilot. Though I found one review on Reddit that says mobile app sucks. I don't know why, but since the mobile app doesn't work really, and that's the display content, as you can see right there, it's not really working. Now, what is the final verdict here? Is it legit? Is it paying out for 2025? Is it really good? So I'm gonna always say on my reviews, take everything here as a grain of salt. Risk taking on a family or even money making business is really a huge risk. So take it as a grain of salt and check it out just by using small amounts of money first. Alright? So on my end personally, I'm gonna say it's legit. Does it pay out? It does pay out. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.